Hello everyone! So today's video, magluluto si Miss I ng carrot cake. So here, she has the mixing bowl. We have oil. We have sugar, flour, grated carrots, salt, baking soda, baking powder, evaporated milk, and eggs. So we'll be right back when she's starting mixing them.
2 cups sugar, 3 cups all-purpose flour, and then gi-mash nga carrots. Ready na ni siya. Kasi tawag aning
Shredded.
shredded. Yeah. Just like the shredded cheese. Gibanggis ng shredded. Shredded carrots. Mga 5 pieces siya kay sliman to. Pero estimated 2 cups. And then the vanilla is here. The iodized salt, the 3 eggs, the 1 can evap, the vanilla, and the baking powder. I'll be needing 2 teaspoons of baking soda and a teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of iodized salt. And then for the oil, it could be oil or butter. So 1/2 cup.
Alright, so this is it. Pansit. Mag-start na tayo sa 4 na itlog. Minimix niya. Nilagay yung sugar. At mix. Ikot-ikot hanggang ma-dissolve yung sugar. O, diba? Tapos, nag-add siya sa ating vanilla. Yan, nag-start ng mag-add ng flour. Pero ang napansin ko, hindi binuhos ang buong 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Kinunti-kunti. Yan palang sekreto ng baking. Walang mabilisan, walang madalian. Nag-add na siya ng evaporated milk. In my own understanding, yun ang nagsisilbing tubig sa pagbibake na ito. Yan, naglagay na ng baking soda at baking powder at saka asin. Pang-pabalance yan. Another evaporated milk na naman. Nura ni siya gatagay guys, pakunti-kunti. So nag-take over ako saglit kasi umalis si Miss I. May tumawag sa kabilang linya. Pero kakastart ko pa lang, masakit na sa shoulder. Kaya siya ang pinatapos ko, nag-turn over ako. Yan, more flour, more evaporated milk para hindi daw masakit sa braso. So yan, nagdagdag na ng vegetable oil. Ang vegetable oil, hinati yung 1/2 cup hanggang ma-dissolve siya. Nag-add siya ulit. Mix. Ang daming mix. Ayaw niya ng electric mixer. Yan na, naubos na ang flour. Na-mix na lahat ang flour. Yan, hanggang maubos ang ating evaporated milk. Naglagay na ng carrots. Mix. Yan, inubos na. Wala, taran. At ako, parang may contribution, hinanda ko na yung mga baking pans molders natin, no? Abde kay si Inday, kay kakauno naman na siya carrot cake. Sana, Abde kayo. Butangan pa din na siya oil. Oil gyud ha, oil. Usa butangan sa cupcake molders and repeat the sounding joy hanggang mailagay sa baking pans lahat ang mixture natin. Nagtataka kayo bakit ang bilis namin? Syempre, double speed kasi ang total nitong video na ito almost 30 minutes. Tapos, we were doing live pa. Alright, this is it. Unang tray luto na. At may paparating pang marami. Dito na lang, Ma'am Ay. Lagyan na lang natin ng towel. Paparating na ang iba. Wow. Carrot cake is in the house. Wow. Wow. Look at the carrot cake there.
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you, Ma'am Ay. Thank you for your expertise. Yes, because I don't have the talent to bake. But you do? Wow.
Guwapa kaayo.
Guwapa kaayo.
Wala lang yun nato na.
Okay guys, that's all for today's vlog. Thank you for watching.